Back across to Geeta Mohan to focus particularly on the Quad Summit. Geeta, the meeting, the first in-person Quad Summit meet is going to be something that's very, very closely watched across the world. You know, the timing of this is so crucial, considering what's happening in Afghanistan, considering China's aggression. It's had a direct impact on the Indo-Pacific region, and that's why perhaps, you know, there's going to be huge takeaways really that emerge from that meeting.
Well, absolutely. It is going to be important. Sources tell us that there is going to be some important deliverables after the Quad meeting. So one has to wait to see what the joint statement really puts out. Like I said, officials still working out details and nitty-gritties of the final documents, be it bilateral or for that matter, the Quad joint statement. But what we can really expect is some important outcome from the first in-person quadrilateral summit of the leaders here in Washington, D.C. But having said that, the security aspect, regional security, Afghanistan is surely going to be an area of huge focus for India and for America. So that's the reason why it is also going to come up during the bilaterals between the two countries as well. The large area of focus when it comes to Quad is not going to just confine itself to China, like a lot of officials have been saying, be it in the Ministry of External Affairs or for that matter Dr. Jaishankar himself. A lot of focus is not just going to be on how to counter China, but to tell China that we're willing to work with you, but we're not willing to succumb to any of your aggression. And that's the message that comes out of Quad. There is a lot of comparison, Akshita, that is made with AUKUS, but AUKUS is a different military alliance altogether from a Quad that is more wide and more broad-based. And the Indian side says it's not going to impact Quad, the AUKUS. But AUKUS certainly, a lot of people say, is going to help India in entirely getting China to focus its attention in the Indo-Pacific waters. So that is really key. External Affairs Minister right now, Akshita, is in New York. Okay. And he's also holding a lot of important meetings. The G20 foreign ministers meeting on Afghanistan. So that's an important aspect. Foreign Secretary and National Security Advisor are with Prime Minister Modi in Washington, D.C. And Doval could have a meeting with his counterpart, Jake Sullivan.
All right, we'll be tracking that. A much more long night for you, Geeta. So I'm going to let you go for the moment. Thank you very much for joining us. Geeta Mohan reporting live for us from Washington, D.C. She'll be getting you every single update, every big takeaway from the Prime Minister's 3-day visit to the United States.